Well, I'm here at the TMD stand here, NAB 2015. This is the first of two videos that we're doing here. I've got Tony Taylor with me. Hi, Tony.
Hi, John. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Now we're going to talk about a few things, but This has caught my eye. It's catching everybody's eye as they walk past.
Like.
Tell us a bit about this.
So this is Chameleon. It's a new user interface for users out in the wider enterprise. So what we're seeing is a lot of organisations out there putting media asset management systems in, digital asset management systems in, and they're really wanting to expand that out into a wider user base and make it easier and more cost effective. You know, no training, that sort of thing. So what we've come up with is Chameleon, which is quite snappy, we think. But so what it's there for is to allow more users to access the system, search for content, search the archives, create that content work order, and then ship it out to the production systems. Very easy, very simple. New technologies, it's all done in HTML5, so it's web-based, browser-based technology, and it allows us to deploy it and our users, customers, to deploy it in a much easier fashion out into the whole of their enterprise.
Brilliant. So that covers this. There's always plenty of other things to talk about. Tell us a bit about, you've got some off-the-shelf solutions now for SMEs as well.
We have. So we've got we're launching three solutions at the show. We're launching Paragon. What Paragon is our archiving solution. So what we're seeing as well is smaller organisations and departments within organisations trying to deploy systems that help them manage that media. Now what Paragon does is it's based on standards, it's LTFS-based archiving, it's got standards-based web access to it with browsers, etc. So it allows our users now, our customers, to deploy smaller solutions in the SME marketplace. The second one is OnPoint, which is our post-production creative services environment. So that again is allowing creative departments to be able to manage the whole of their content flow right through their operation, from campaigns, from wish lists, make lists, right in through the Adobe integration for their NLE systems, and Avid and Final Cut Pro as well, and then creating that content and pushing it out to where they need to. The third one is Transform. We see today so much more content going out onto the web, new delivery methods, Netflix, iTunes, all of those sorts of things. And our customers have been struggling to create the content for the different platforms and the different formats. So you think about people with mobiles, with tablets, etc. We're talking about a significant amount of content that's going out there. And what Transform does is it enables our customers to manage that whole process in an automated fashion. So instead of being very labor intensive, which it has been with Excel spreadsheets and all those other things, it's now a product that allows people to deliver to the web in a much more standardized approach.
Brilliant. And finally, let's talk UMS. Tell us a bit about that.
UMS is something that we've actually been doing for quite some time. But what we've now done is put it together. It's a service-orientated architecture, it's an underlying architecture. So it's what customers are doing in big organizations to actually bring all the business process management orchestration engine together, web services, so it allows people to interact with MediaFlex. There's a new REST API that allows our clients and other developers to develop user interfaces on MediaFlex. Control the workflow, and put all those sort of things together. It has adapters out there for things like FIMS, which is a standard framework for interoperable media services. So what we're trying to do is to allow more people to access MediaFlex from third-party systems in a standards-based approach.
Tony, that's great. Now, if people want to find out more information about Chameleon and all the other services and systems that you have, what's the website they can go to?
It's www.tmd.tv.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Tony. Go and have a look at the website, links on screen now, and check out everything you need to know about TMD and how they can help you guys. And we've done another video with them as well, so the link will be on screen for that as well, so go and check that out.